filming day. Got a whole bunch of track in the back. Got the GoPro and some cars. Let's get at her. Okay guys, so we're at our first location. It's a high school right next to a forest right there. And there's a huge hill up there, which we're gonna build some track up there and we'll send some cars down. Guys, so we're gonna send the track down this hill. Gonna be pretty crazy. We're gonna get some cool shots. There's a drain there, so don't exactly want the car to fall down there, so we'll do it probably on the other side. And quite a forest over here. We might just go over there, build a track in it later. And without further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, so that was stop number 1. We got some pretty cool footage, as you guys can see there. Got some cool cars with some cool footage. Anyways, now on to stop number 2, which is another school. So here's a look at the second location. A little bit more urban. Sort of like there's like a city, just like little town. Not really a town, but like sort of like a suburb right over there. This is another school. Here this time this is an elementary school. Carnivals there, yeah. And this was the location of our last track. Just sort of went down here, right down to the finish. Yeah, that was our last track. Okay guys, now I'm gonna go back, look at the footage, edit this video. Anyways, please like, comment, subscribe. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Take care. Peace.